The first exercise you're going to learn is to help you develop your vocal projection, which has to do with the volume of your voice, the loudness or the softness of your voice. You need to be able to project your voice so that people in a big space will be able to hear you loudly and clearly. This is called the bowling ball exercise, and you will develop your vocal projection. Remember that in order to have a loud voice, you will use a muscle called the diaphragm. So I'm just going to ask everybody to stand this way, and we're going to inhale so that we can show that our diaphragm inflates when we inhale, it becomes bigger, and then it deflates. Inhale, inflate, exhale, deflate. So that's where you get the power of your voice, okay? You're going to imagine that the space or the theater is a bowling alley and your voice is a bowling ball. You're then going to throw your voice at the back of the theater. But before we use our voice, we're going to use our breath because our voice sits on top of our breath. And you're going to imagine, throw your voice. Don't forget your ball, Max. Here's your ball. And exhale. Blow out on the inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now remember, it's coming from the diaphragm and not the chest, okay? It's over here. Now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, one number per bowling ball. We're going to demonstrate it, and it's going to become clearer to you. Also, when you open your mouth, I want you to really open it wide. So put out 3 fingers and put it, it's COVID, so they can't put it inside their mouth. They're just going to use it to measure how big they open their mouth. Beautiful. Now that's how big you'll open your mouth when you do the bowling ball exercises. So we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Inhale. 1. Let's fill the space with the sound of our voice. 2. 2. 3. 4. 5. Now they will do it, and I will walk around and make sure that they are using proper technique in making their voice loud and clear. You guys can do it. Start with 1. Go. 1, 2. How loud can you go? 3. I want you to imagine your grandma is at the back of the theater and she's a little deaf. She needs to hear you. 4. 5. Now we'll do it again one more time. Now we really want to make our voice long, but relaxed, but loud. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do what is called a domino effect. Each student will say one number. We're going to start with Jason. Jason is going to do 1. Max is going to do 2. Nick is 3. Bella is 4. And Isabella is 5. You can look at the camera when you're throwing your ball forward. Ready? Go. 1, 2.
3,
And that was the bowling ball exercise.